In this video, I just want to share my experience with you developing with AI, Web 2 and Web 3. What are the challenges that you will likely face if you intend to develop an AI-powered Web 2 or Web 3, that's decentralized or not decentralized application? As long as you want to integrate AI, there are peculiar challenges you will likely face, which this video is a must watch for you if you want to have a live experience. I've built different app integrating AI, and I have free courses on the platform. So in case you are new to this channel, I'm Solomon Foskaay, founder of AiHiPUniversity, with aim to enhance developer with AI to 10x your dev skill and magnify your productivity. Instead of AI taking your job, you amplify your dev productivity with AI. So if you want that and that interests you, then this is the channel to subscribe, tap the notification bell, and join the AI enthusiasts and developer community through our Discord. If you have any need support or something, as well, check our site, AiHiPUniversity.com, where we have free courses on ChatGPT clone, a lot of, we want to integrate it into WordPress, into a lot of different tools like that. Check it, even with certification. So there are free courses and free platforms. So just check them out. Now back to what we are saying. There are a lot of challenges you might face, and I think one is peculiarity of your project. So if your project is Web 2 driven, then it has its own peculiar challenges. When you are now building a dApp or Web3 app, then it could bring peculiar challenges depending on the features that you want to use and how you can bend in the existing AI platform to do it. So you need to have that in mind. The second challenge you will face is choosing the right AI model to power your app. Because the mistake a lot of beginner does with AI development, AI app related development and things like that, is they think like, no, this is impossible. How can I build my own AI? You don't need to build your own AI to be able to build an AI powered app. There are already platforms that have built that for you. It's just like you are saying you want to build your own internet, or you want to build your own domain protocol before you can have a website on the internet. No, there are already platforms that are doing that. You just need to pay for them to host your website. You need to pay for them your blockchain for fee. You understand things like that. So it's the same thing, but it's a very serious challenge for you as a beginner to know which language, AI, large language model or whatever you need to pick. So there is a solution that I can give you. But if you actually want to launch like a live project, I think I have some offers for you as well. But first is you need to solve the first challenge we said, what your project require. Does your project need AI to represent a chatbot format? Is the AI going to be walking people through some other existing things on your platform? So not necessarily a chatbot like appearance. Is it going to be, analyzing pages for people and maybe giving them summary? Is it going to be helping them compose maybe their CV? Is it going, you understand? That's just different from just chatting. Is it going to be generating images for them, or helping them to fine-tune existing image, or take their image, convert it to another format like normal real woman to avatar? You understand? All those things, once you are able to solve that first challenge, then this level, I will just give you an idea. There are different AI models based on these things. For example, if you want to use OpenAI, if you are building things like ChatGPT clone or AI chatbot, you will need it to be powered with things like GPT 3, 3.5, ChatGPT and things like that. So, but if you want it to generate image or take an image uploaded and transform it to avatar, or Pikachu or whatever. All those things you will need other ones like the Dall-E. So if you configure your app or dApp to communicate with OpenAI, because usually it's like a single API link, but how you configure it is what will now let the API know that, okay, you would like to talk to the chat discussion AI or the image-based AI or the code completion AI like Codex, you understand? So it will now reroute your request to the right model. But if you don't actually understand what your project needs, then it becomes difficult for you to know. But once you know, I believe this aspect should help you to know that, okay, if I want to build a project that is just like chat, oh, there is a model like ChatGPT 3 series and more that could help. Okay, if I want to do anything that has to do with images, I will need Dall-E, so the configuration will be different. If I need for like maybe code completion, I will need like Codex. You understand? There are other AI platforms like if you need for voice. Do you understand things like that? So all those things are what you need to figure out to be able to. These are challenges I myself faced initially when I went into all this AI app development myself. So this is the reason why we did this video. Is it helpful? Let me know in the comments below. But if you really need me to support or something, head straight and join the Discord. Subscribe, tap the notification bell. And before I wind up, for future something, if you have any question, ask right in the comment. And like I said, for more response from me, ask in the Discord. Direct response from me, ask in the Discord. Now, let me know which other challenges you are facing, especially as beginner or intermediate into AI development or integrating AI into your project as a developer or existing project of your client or new one. Let me know right in the comment or go in the Discord. Meanwhile, if you are starting or having an idea for a AI project and you are just confused, you don't really know, you have all this time, like, okay, I don't really know which AI will even need, how these things will go, then you can book a premium consultation time with me. I do that for AI startup project. So I'll be able to give you about 2-3 hours, depending on the field we conclude on and what your project is about, helping you to analyze it from the standpoint of experienced AI developer integrating into different tools, both Web3, Web2, Web3, and teaching and training others. So you will be able to have a very clear something. And if what you had in mind before cannot be done, maybe based on the limitation of the current AI APIs and things like that, you will know, and you will know the actual ways to go and even likely have idea of the cost and including mode of monetizing those projects. So make sure you go to the Discord and reach out to me. Then we'll book a personal time. You can also check the website, reach out through mail. We did some summary of your course, project, and then we take it up from there. But like I said, it's a premium, it's not free. So if I don't give free support for your personal project, I'm already giving enough free on this platform, in-depth courses worth $100 to over $1,000 and more if I'm to charge for those courses. So giving that free and then you take it, you can't sit down to go through and you still want me to now take your own personal project again. No, I don't have that time. So if you want to take attention of my time, you pay. And at the same time, I'm currently working on a project about helping you generate AI image prompt that you can just put into Dall-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and more, and generate solid images for any project. If you're interested, I'm looking for just normal alpha tester. You get access to it before it become open to everybody. So I don't know, it might be open when you are watching, but at least go into the Discord, join and ask if that is still available. I will point you to where you can test it out and give feedback. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. I remain Solomon Foskaay. Keep the programming spirit alive. your assurance to succeed in programming. And please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming and coding skill and not evil. See you and peace.